Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue encore dans Chanel. Guys, in this video I will be showing you a living room makeover, and I will show you two new pieces of furniture I have, and I will be repainting my TV wall, or accent wall should I say. Okay, if you want to see how everything turns out, please keep watching.
I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting. Still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile.
Guys, I thrifted this floor steamer. You know, I started using it about a month ago, but I love it. It just kills all the germ from the floor, and I got those little pads from Amazon. It smell, or should I say, they smell delicious. They smell so good. Okay, you could put it on the pad, or you could put it away on that little spat right there. So that's my new addition to the house.
You, I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting. Still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be.
Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you so much for all the liking, commenting, and subscribing and sharing all of that good stuff. I truly appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign.
I'm beginning to be like my cousin now.
Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, 'cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in.
made those boxes on my DIY channel. If you guys want to see how I made them, I will make sure I will leave the link in the description box for you guys. Okay? I don't know what I did wrong. I glued the nab on there twice. It kept coming off. Any suggestion or ideas?
Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it. I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around, too bad, I've been sticking out your mind.
The moment of the truth should be here shortly. As a matter of fact, here it is. Enjoy.
I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stingy how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, with me, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist. Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever, ever. Thanks, baby, turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stingy how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stingy how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Pick it up, why you tryna find the pieces when you lick it up? Why I like it when you sit it when you take it up? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stingy how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Mwah.